Hello, everybody, and welcome aboard the Disney Fantasy. This is our room. It is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Navigator's Verandah. This is room number 7636 aboard the Disney Fantasy ship. And I figured I'd quick take you guys on a room before we get all settled in and take out all of our luggage and everything and get all cozy. Obviously, got the main bed right here. I'll show you kind of the sleeping arrangements, and this couch turns into a bed, and then they do have a pull-down bed. From what we did this cruise about 7 years ago.
Yes.
The wife's going to be narrating behind me. 8 years ago. But this is a pull-down bed up here. They hook it in right there and they pull it down. So this room can sleep. There we are. Welcome aboard the Gamache family. So cool. We're so excited. So this room can sleep, what, 6?
I said 3 to 5.
3 to 5? Yeah, 5 makes sense because probably two on this bed and then the 5th one there. So, but each of the bedside tables over here, got your phone. I don't see any charging ports or anything. The phone's there. I don't know. We'll find out what that is in a minute. Another bedside table over here. There's a plug there, but I don't see any USB chargers for those wanting to know. I think there are USB chargers over here on the desk. Maybe. We'll look. Yeah, there's some. Over here, you've got a long kind of dresser area. You got your desk here with a little drawer. And you got some shelving over here with some, I don't know. Oh, just water cups. Those are water cups. You got some storage over here, shelving, lots of storage. It's a hairdryer. Got some more shelving there. And then you got some outlets over here. Like I said, you got outlets. And there's 2 USB ports right there. For us tech savvy people, want to charge all of our gadgets. Here's a little fridge. So these rooms have a fridge. And then you got some more drawers over here. 1, 2, 3 drawers. And then up here, you got some more storage. Used for whatever you need. Got your little TV here. Nothing crazy big. You're not going to be spending a lot of time in your rooms. So, and these are our lanyards. We are silver, because I think we've been on, 3, 4 Disney cruises now? 4. And they left us a little sling backpack. So that's cool. Really cool. And the wife was trying to figure out what this is. Is this the bed?
Another bed?
Maybe? I don't know. It's a mystery. We shall never know. But it does open because there's a little lock right here. So I don't know what that is. So, all right, let's head out and check out the veranda. If I can figure out how to open up the door. Which will be a mystery. We didn't practice this, ladies and gentlemen. Watch your step.
What do you do?
Please keep veranda door closed. Unlock. Here we go.
Oh, no, it's already unlocked.
It's already unlocked. Okay.
Can I open? Maybe it was already.
Houston, we have a problem.
Does it slide?
There, it slides. It doesn't push.
We didn't go in a
Adding
veranda last time.
Yeah. Here's the little veranda. Got a little chair. Got a little table out here. Enough room to come out here and relax for a few minutes. We haven't left port yet. We're still sitting in Port Canaveral. So here's a view of lovely Port Canaveral. And this is this is room 7636. It's kind of towards the back of the ship. So there's a view of that. And I will head back inside now. And I'll show you guys the 2 bathrooms. And what else is up here at the front. Got some artwork. Show you some of the artwork. People waving at the Disney Cruise Line ship. And then up here in the cabinet, it's up in the front. Got hangers, got your life vests. Looks like I don't know what the ladder's for.
The bunk bed.
Oh, the bunk beds, that's right. Then we got our stuff in here, a little bit of stuff in here. You got your safe down here. Got some more life vests up there. You got some hangers to hang stuff. So I'm gonna close that and swing around here. And here is toilet numero uno. Got your little sink there. Got some little shelving here. Got your mirror, sink, toilet. Fancy. Got a Disney Cruise Line towel. And we'll head over here to the other one. And this is obviously where the shower is. Got a couple towel racks over here. Got some towels over there, some shelving. Got your sink. Always love the Disney Cruise Line soap.
Look at all the H2O stuff. Look.
Yeah, here's a look at the shower. Kind of a circular shower.
No, look at all the H2O stuff. That's a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it's some tiny bottles.
H2O body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Yeah, it's a cute little round shower. You got a handle shower so you can take it off.
We didn't have this last time because we had that handicapped accessible one.
Yeah, we had like a handicapped accessible room last time, which was nice because it was a giant open space. But anyways, I think that's it. Just a quick tour of the room. Again, this is room number 7636 aboard the Disney Fantasy. Thanks for watching, guys.